Garlic can combat sickness, including the common cold. Parsley works as a powerful natural diuretic and can help reduce bloating and blood pressure. Parsley is loaded with vitamin K, which has been linked to bone health. Pasta adds beneficial nutrients to the plate such as carbohydrate, fiber, protein, B vitamins, and iron. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. Pasta can be beneficial for those with diabetes. A study published by Diabetes Care concluded grain-based foods, especially whole grain varieties with a low glycemic index, such as pasta and oats, are beneficial for people with diabetes.